Hi students, greeting of the day. Here we are dealing with electrochemistry. We'll be talking about some of the topics in electrochemistry. So be cautious and take your pen paper so that you can note up. We'll be taking an important concept over here, which is redox reaction and balancing of redox reaction. So let us begin with it. Electrochemistry and redox reaction, if we talk about, the first is the redox, that is oxidation and reduction. If you can see, RED is the first part of reduction and OX is of oxidation. So the combined together forms redox reaction, that is having simultaneously oxidation and reduction reaction going on. Now, what is electrochemistry? It is the study of interchange between chemical change and electrical work. That is, if you provide current, then you get the ions dissociated, or vice versa, that is, when ions get dissociated you get current out of it, and that is the battery, or rather two concepts, that is the electrochemical cell and electrolysis. So in electrochemical cell, because of the redox reaction which is going on, the chemical reaction is converted into the electrical energy. Redox reaction is the electron transfer process. Just a simple process. If we take zinc is there, so zinc releases 2 electron, forms Zn plus 2. So what has happened? Zinc has been converted to zinc ion, so that is oxidation, or we say there is oxidation of zinc which has taken place because zinc has lost 2 electrons. When it has lose 2 electrons, it is oxidation process, because oxidation is addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, or removal of electron, or increase in oxidation number, while reduction is opposite to it, that is removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, addition of electron, or decrease in oxidation number or valency. Now, these are the charges which are developed because of the electrons which are given or taken. So valency with information added up, that is how many electrons are taken or given, becomes oxidation number. Now, oxidation number of pure element is always 0. Monoatomic ions, their oxidation number is the charge on which, like sodium, it will be +1, calcium +2, magnesium +2, aluminium +3. So this will be the oxidation number. Aluminium oxidation number is +3. Neutral compounds, sum of oxidation number is 0. Polyatomic ions, the sum of oxidation number is ionic charge which is present. Negative oxidation number generally assigned to more electronegative elements, or rather we can say more of the non-metals. Oxidation number, if we take hydrogen has been assigned +1 if it is giving electron, but if it's taking electron then it becomes hydride H-1. Oxygen is assigned -2 as oxidation state, while peroxides -1, OF2 +2. Fluorine always -1 because only one oxidation state is there. Similarly, oxidation state is increase in oxidation number, which becomes positive, and decrease in oxidation number becomes negative. Oxidation involves loss, so you can just remember it that OIL, oil, oxidation involves the loss of electron, and reduction involves the gain of electron, that is RIG. So these are the two shortcuts which I have made so that it's important and you can remember them, so that it becomes easier. Now redox is oxidation or loss of electron, causes reduction, and when it causes reduction, reducing agent is it. Similarly, reduction is the gain of electron, causes oxidation, and it is itself as oxidizing agent. Means reduction if it's going on, then it's oxidizing agent, and if oxidation is going on, then it's a reducing agent, that is vice versa or opposite. If we see the redox terminology, as I stated, zinc, it is releasing electron because it's more reactive metal, so it will form zinc ion, while any other element to it, like hydrogen over here, if we are taking a reaction Zn plus twice H positive gives Zn plus 2 plus H2, this is a reaction where metal more reactive displaces hydrogen because this is above the position of hydrogen in the reactivity series. So zinc is losing electron because it's more reactive. So zinc is reducing agent and gets oxidized. The oxidation number of zinc is plus 2. Similarly, hydrogen ion gains electron. Hydrogen ion is oxidizing agent and becomes reduced. The oxidation number of H ion is H120. Now, when we balance the chemical equations, it's very simple process. Balancing is done with the help of, first, these are the 3 points which you should know, and on that basis only the reaction is balanced. First of all, you segregate whatever reaction is given to you with the help of two elements, that is one to be oxidized and one to be reduced. Just calculate the position, which is reducing agent, which is oxidizing agent, or rather you calculate which is oxidized, which is reduced. Once when you get this reduced and oxidized parts, or the metal which has been increased in oxidation number or has decreased in oxidation number, so separately you make two half reactions. These two half reactions now will be balanced with the electrons. So balance elements involving the electron transfer. Then the second part of this point will be balance the number of electrons which are lost or gained. And the last point is to balance the electron, means if suppose in one reaction you have 2 electrons while in the other reaction you have 5. So multiply the first equation by 5 and second by 2 so that multiple comes as 10 and those 10 electrons will be removed. Means students, this is the basic criteria. Balancing here, the beauty of balancing the redox reaction is, with redox reaction you get electrons, and with the electrons you balance the equation, that is you balance the oxidation states of two metals which are provided to you in the reaction. One gets oxidized, one gets reduced. So this is the parameter of it. Now the next part is half reaction. The terms will be cancelled, that is nascent oxygen and electrons will be cancelled. When you go for acidic condition, balance oxygen using water and balance hydrogen using H ion. These are concepts which are important, you should remember. I repeat, acidic conditions, if they are provided to you, balance oxygen using water and balance hydrogen using H positive. If basic conditions are given to you in the reaction parameter, balance oxygen using OH negative and balance hydrogen using water. These are important parameters that you should remember. Check that all atoms and charges are balanced, hence your reaction will be balanced. So this was regarding the overall view of electrochemistry in a shorter duration of time. So one thing is very important, be healthy, because when you are healthy, obviously you have a healthy mind, and healthy mind has a healthy brain. So relaxing need to be a part of your daily routine. Relax yourself and take care. Thanks for listening the concept. Bye.